Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn on active status on the Snapchat, because when you will turn on active status on the Snapchat, your friend can easily contact you because it will show that you are online. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then click on profile icon at top left corner, and then you will see setting options at top right corner. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see activity indicator. If activity indicator is off, then you will appear offline on the Snapchat. When you will turn it on, then you will see that you are online on the Snapchat when you will choose the Snapchat. So guys, in this way you can turn on active status on the Snapchat. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.